Hey guys, this is me. And Paradox seems to get some update. It's for Foundry. It's about to get. And it looks like it can get published with as a game. And it says a Foundry building says it's to take on Factorio. It says publisher Paradox Interactive has been known for its share of strategy games over the years, and now it's putting sights on Foundry builders. The company's latest publishing project is Foundry, and it's incoming from Channel 3 Entertainment, a brand new studio with talent Don't Starve Together, and Oxygen non-included games. Watch the gameplay chart above. That's the link that you have to watch that video. The first-person title will offer factory building and automation possibilities populated by titles like Factorio, Satisfactory, or even heavily modded Minecraft. Starting from mainly mining ore for products, players will be able to research and develop technologies to automate entire production chains. Sci-fi machines, conveyor belts, pipe networks, power systems, and modules are included to hopefully achieve self-sustaining factories. The voxel worlds players will enter will be procedurally generated when any blob will be destroyed or placed, with each blob offering different challenges to tackle. Multiplayer is confirmed too, with the developer recommending 2 to 4 player sessions for both online play and via LAN networks. Thankfully for bigger groups, a hard cap for the number of support players isn't there yet. Foundry is a new game that has already received positive feedback from early testers, and we are very excited about this project. We are proud to work with Channel 3 Entertainment to bring the ultimate factory building simulation to players, as Paradox executive producer Seb Easton Farstrom. Before being picked up by this publisher, Foundry has been available on itch.io and alpha testing before for some time, but now, for this release, the studio is going for an early access push on Steam, but a firm launch date has not been confirmed yet. So that gives you a way that could be published on Steam, that could get released on Steam. A Steam page for Foundry is already available for wishlisting purposes. With only a PC launch seemingly confirmed for now. Anyone looking to try out the Sim before its early access launch will be able to jump in during the upcoming Steam Next Fest event. The demo festival will kick off on October 9th and run for October 16th. And a playable gameplay slice of Foundry will also be available during that period for free. So that's the recap of this. It could be released on Steam, and it's getting early access push for Steam. So that's all, and we'll see you again. Bye.